not good.
She did it! I'm on fire, baby!
Hey, Tommy! Hi, Chuckie! Hi, Fluffy! What is it? This is too scary. Oh, come on! Don't be such a baby! Hickle, fakel, dickle, do! Hey, guys! This is a perfect chance to go exploring! Here we go again! Don't be silly, Chuckie. You don't know what you're gonna get till you get it. Now, come on, let's go play. Wait for me! A baby's gotta do what a baby's gotta do. I think we better go now, Tommy. Ah, come on, don't be such a baby.
It wasn't me.
That's just ignorant. Hey, Libby. Hi, Tommy. Hi, Chuckie. Hey, you guys. I got an idea. What is it? You sure you're a genius? Are you with me, guys? Come on, let's go. I have this constant ringing in my ears. Oh, it's my phone. This is worse than I thought. Hickle, fakel, dickle, do. There's something funny going on around here. That's it! That's the last straw! I'm gonna go over there and settle things once and for all! Don't give me that static.
Now what? Can we lower the volume, please? How did I get surrounded by such loser neighbors?
Hi, sweetheart!
Hey, yo, Tommy! Chuckie, my man! Hello, Libby! Ow! SpongeBob!
There's a right way and a wrong way, and you're the wrong way. This is too scary. Oh, come on, don't be such a baby. You'll do great, and I'll be right here to help you. Here we go again. I wouldn't do that if I were you. That's just ignorant. Hickle, fakel, dickle, do. Come on!
Hi, Tommy! Hi, Chuckie! Hi, Libby!
Hello, Mr. Habs!
No! You win.
Bye, Libby! See you later, Libby! Oh, bye, Tommy. Bye, Chuckie.
Is today over yet?
Well, we have good news and bad news.
I hate this wish!
My parents are gonna totally kill me!
Aw, sweetie, we tried.
Oh, yeah!
Cool! I'm the bomb! That's oddly specific.